Hello everyone. Today we will study about the causes of project failure under the project management. There are many reasons why project implementation can go wrong. Lack of planning and management participation, underestimating resources, failing to manage user expectations, too much customization and tweaking at the end of the project, and insufficient testing, and many other cases of project failure we will study in this video. First, we have to understand the reason behind project failure. So projects most commonly fails because lack attention and efforts. A project is assumed under project failure if it has not delivered its basic required expectations. Projects are generally started to meet a business ambition, but it must also meet the stakeholder presumptions. If the project can meet both the business ambitions and all stakeholder presumptions, then it can be considered as a success. However, the reality is not same as we expect it could be. As expectations of the customer and stakeholders keep on changing constantly, it becomes difficult for the project team to deal with issues and to achieve project goals. Now there are some reasons for project failures. So the reason for project failure refer to the lack of presence of success factor for the project. Here are top 10 reasons for the project failure to answer the question why project fails. So inadequate project planning, scope creep, use of unpracticed tool and technique, shortage of resources and requirements, no or poor risk management, lack of user engagement, poor controlling and monitoring, inexperienced project managers, ineffective communication, and poor project management. So first we have to understand the reasons in details. What is inadequate project planning? So project planning is an important part of project management, and it is the responsibility of the project manager to set a proper plan for the project. So project planning is generally used to organize distinct parts of a project, including workload, project plan, management of team, etc. You must have a clear vision of what you are going to do and know how to execute tasks to reach the project goal. But if the project is not planned properly, then it may fail or doesn't meet all the expectation of stakeholders and customer. Now what is scope creep? So scope creep refer to change in scope of the project, and also known as requirement creep or feature creep. The scope is the work required for a project. Scope creep refer to how the requirement of a project keep on changing over a project life cycle. It is caused by the changing requirements of the project stakeholder or due to miscommunication and distance. It may result in roadblocks, project delay, or move over budget, and hence project failure, but sometimes it is not a bad thing. Scope creep is an actually that every project manager predict and plan for. The third main reason of project failure is use of unpracticed tool and technique. Good tools and techniques are required for the success of a project. A common illusion is made by the project manager and the team leader to utilize unpracticed tool and technique at the starting of the project. Sometimes it can cause many several problems during project life cycle, as the team has deal with the learning curve of new technique along with usual project duties. As team members are not familiar with the new technique, the project may undergo different issues. For this, team members should use new tool in the combat successively. The fourth reason is shortage of resource and requirements. We all know that resources are main important part of any project. Every project requires some resources according to need. The quantity of resources depend on the size and scope of the project. Sometimes the project is inaccessible due to the shortage of resources and necessary requirements. This is one of the case in which project success is not available. For example, if a project requires a skilled project management software programmer and candidate appointed for the sub project do not have that skill, then the project cannot continue until a necessary resource is provided. So it is the main reason of any project failure, that is poor risk management. At present, we have to deal with some actual facts in the project management. So poor or no risk management has the ability to influence the project management. Project failure is the worst case of poor risk management. The goals are not reached and all the investment is wasted along with time and efforts that have been put into the project. Some of the most significant influence on the poor risk management are given as the project failure, slow running projects, risk of reputation damage, and inactive benefits. So poor risk management is one of the primary contributor to the project failure and had a negative impact on project success. Now, lack of user engagement. A project which is aimed at developing some product is going to have special patrons, that is a group of people who does business at the establishment. Whether the product is a part of the software, a hardware, or development of existing mechanism, users are the extreme customers. The user should be engaged during the project life cycle as their suggestions and feedbacks are categorized to guide the project effectually. Failure to user engagement in the project lead to an improper and result product and project is failed to meet the user expectations. Now, what is poor controlling and monitoring of the project? Controlling and monitoring are essential parts of project management. A project can succeed only where there is proper governance of the project management. Without proper planning and monitoring, the project may fail. The absence of controlling and monitoring impact the project in many ways. The ways are deviation in cost, scope and schedule baseline. Project may not be completed on the time as expected and the quality of the deliverables can be degraded and the company or organization structure will damage. Inexperienced project managers. Project failure is a common term that every project manager wants to rapture from. No one craves to take the responsibility of project failure as it may blot his career record. But if a project fails, then it simply means that project manager did a poor job. Ensure that the project manager has enough knowledge of what the best techniques are, because hiring of well-skilled project manager can't be omitted. ineffective communication. So the project team knows their manager only through his communications, whether it a project, an operation or personal life. Communication plays an important role. Without communication, you are executing tasks in the murky area. Project managers should develop a communication plan. Even time to time, meets up should be planned to discuss the project performance. It is the last reason of any project failure, that is poor project management. When there is no above mentioned reason for project failure, then the project may fail due to poor management. If a project is decently staffed, have a good proper planning, availability of resources, proper scheduling, and the support of sponsors, but even gets fail, then the only reason behind it is that project management was poor. The success of the project depends on the project manager and project team. Therefore, appoint right staff for your company and organization with significant experience. So, the top cases of project failure specify how important is the proper planning to reach the project goals. The successive operation of the project, task, and the resource management also helps project manager to deliver a successful project. Efficient communication helps to build a better project flows and thus lead to the success of the project. So by eliminating above factor that may result in project failure, the likelihood of the project holder can be eliminated. So here we can easily understand the main reason behind any project failure and how we can eliminate or make success our project. Okay guys, thanks for watching.